back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I am back. So it's been a long time since I've been cooking. And yeah, so I'm gonna surprise my dad with some banana chocolate chip muffins. So these are all the quick reminder. You are going to be needing a pan to overheat, or the stove.
Ask your parents for permission and for help, is what she's trying to say. Right?
Mm-hmm. So first, when I turn on the oven, I'm going to put it on 350 degrees. So we're going to put bake, and it's already on there, so we're going to put start. And it's already doing that. So now we're going to show you the ingredients you need for banana chocolate chip muffins. So the first thing is flour, baking soda, bananas. So you need 4 bananas, and that is the main thing too. And you need sugar, 1 egg, 1 stick of butter, baking powder, chocolate chips, which is the main thing also, and dark chocolate, dark chocolate, and a pinch of salt, and the last thing is vanilla extract. So that's all you need for your chocolate chip banana. Okay, so I got all my ingredients ready, and which I will put down below. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna get my bananas. Okay, I'm gonna peel my bananas, and then I'm gonna put them in half, and then put them in the bowl. Now you're gonna add your melted cold butter. Okay, now you're gonna mash. So make sure your bananas are mashed. So I already have all my ingredients I need in order. So you're gonna add your sugar. Okay. Now you're gonna add your egg. Okay. Alright, now you're gonna add your vanilla. Alright, now mix. Do I need this? Okay, so I'm gonna use the whisker. Egg. It's glass and it's heavy, so I can use 2 hands. Okay, guys, so you are gonna add. Oh, wait, you need salt, a pinch of salt, and your baking soda. So just a pinch of salt. Okay, now you're gonna add all your baking soda. I dropped it. Now all the flour, all of it. It's a lot. It's my favorite part though. Okay. I'm done. This is slime. I want to go in this with my hand. Okay, so it seems like we don't have to use the baking powder. So last but not least is 1 cup of chocolate chips, which I'm eating right now. I thought it. Oh, I'll eat them. Okay. Now we're not gonna use our. Okay, so we're gonna mix them in gently. Now we are ready to put them in the muffin tin. So we're gonna put it. We're gonna stuff bananas. This is taking forever. I got an idea. All in the muffin tin. 10 more minutes, guys. Want to see something cool? They're almost done. Okay, guys, so my muffins are done, so I'm just gonna wait for them to cool, and yeah, and then I'll go take them to my dad. So I'll tell you when they are done. Okay, guys, we are done with the muffins. They are done cooling, and here we go.
That is a tasty muffin.
Now let me try. Wait. Okay, guys, I hope you got the recipe, and I hope you watch it, and make sure you like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and if you do, you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Bye, guys, and safety first. Make sure you wear a mask and wash your hands. Bye.